the past presidents and the members of the Kiwanis Club of Arbel. And the wala kita guest, no? Good evening. Tonight, no? Tonight is very special because as we gather here, not only we are going to celebrate or we're just having a fun or enjoyment, but it is the once in a lifetime moment of Kiwanis Club of Arbel because we're going to celebrate the 50 years of commitment, of service, and also our dedication to our club. Until now, I never thought that this club of Kiwanis International will still stand on its own or we know, no, alam natin, the Kiwanis Club of Arbel ay hindi kung sabi pa, it will not stand without your support, your commitment, and also the financial support gives ang tanan na member. I really thank all of you. No, from the start na naging member ako ng Kiwanis Club of Arbel, I experienced